Today I'm reviewing this 12-pack of clear storage bins for pantry and home organization, and I received these through Amazon Vine to test out and share my honest experience. So if you've been following me, you already know I'm always trying to find simple ways to keep things organized, especially in a smaller space where clutter builds up really quickly. These are one of those items that you can use pretty much anywhere. I've used them in the pantry, but you can also use them in the fridge, under the sink, or even in the bathroom. They're really versatile, which I always look for because I like things that can work in multiple areas of the house. The size is actually really practical, so not too big, not too small, so you can group things together without wasting space. I also like that they're clear, so you can see exactly what's inside without having to dig through everything. That alone makes a big difference when you're trying to stay organized. They feel sturdy too, so not flimsy. You can put heavier items in there without worrying about them cracking. And the handles make it easy to pull them out, especially if you're using them on higher shelves or deeper cabinets. Overall, these are one of those simple organization tools that just make everyday life easier and more put together.